cyber range is a facility established to enable cyber defenders to practice their skills at detecting attacks and defending systems. It consists of a network of systems which can be as simple or as complex as required. It may be a flat network, or it may have firewalls and an internal network. In a cyber range, one or more of these servers is vulnerable to attack by what's known as a red team. And the aim of the cyber range exercise is for the cyber defenders, known as the blue team, to protect the servers. This may involve hardening them prior to the attack, monitoring logs for a sign of attack, and responding to the attack. A cyber range can be a complicated system with server hardware and red and blue teams in their own rooms. It can be as simple as a mini PC, running virtual machines and an automated attack script taking the place of the red team. In a complete cyber range, we'd have a range of cyber defense tools running on the Kali Purple platform, such as SIEM systems, like ELK Stack, Wazuh and Splunk. A threat hunting system, such as Malcolm, which provides intrusion detection, packet capture and session analysis. Velociraptor, a tool used for responding to incidents, and much more. We won't be using any cyber defense tools in this course, but you can learn how to install and run these systems in a cyber range in my Kali Purple Essentials course.